This is the AI News Flash for May 18, 5 p.m. UTC. First up, NVIDIA's next-generation Rubin AI platform will reportedly demand more DRAM than Apple and Samsung combined, according to Fast Company. Industry analyst data suggests the Vera Rubin generation's appetite for high-bandwidth memory, or HBM4, and related DRAM will outstrip the combined memory consumption of all smartphones shipped by Apple and Samsung. AI data center memory demand has reached a historic inflection point, surpassing the entire consumer electronics industry. SK Hynix, Samsung Electronics, and Micron are accelerating HBM4 mass production, with AI memory supercycle entering full force. Micron's 245TB SSD, Samsung's trillion-dollar market cap, and hyperscalers' $725 billion capex in 2026 all underscore this seismic shift. The AI infrastructure boom is expanding from GPUs to the memory layer, marking a critical milestone for institutional allocation strategy and a structural rewrite of global semiconductor industry dynamics. Second, enterprise PC server giant Dell Technologies has sold 1,000 AI servers equipped with NVIDIA GPUs in the current quarter, Bloomberg reported. According to Dell's disclosure, hyperscaler-bound large-scale AI server orders reached an unprecedented 1,000-unit single-quarter scale, the largest AI infrastructure deal in company history. These fully integrated AI servers with NVIDIA Blackwell and Vera Rubin GPUs are designed for generative AI training and inference workloads at full enterprise scale. From Microsoft Azure, Meta, Oracle, CoreWeave, and xAI driving the $725 billion hyperscaler capex boom in 2026 are direct beneficiaries. The server OEM industry is undergoing an AI server demand explosion, with Dell's AI server backlog at record levels and enterprise AI infrastructure business growing over 60%. Supermicro, HP Enterprise, and Lenovo Group are riding the same wave, signaling institutional investor positioning toward AI semiconductor periphery and a clear acceleration of global AI infrastructure expansion. Third, former OpenAI researcher Leopold Aschenbrenner's Situational Awareness, a $13.6 billion AI-focused hedge fund, has made a massive strategic bet on Bitcoin mining giants. CoinDesk reported in detail. 3F filings reveal Situational Awareness acquired major stakes in U.S.-listed Bitcoin miners, including Core Scientific, Riot Platforms, TeraWulf, Cipher Mining, Hut 8 Mining, and Marathon Digital, building combined positions worth several billion dollars. The rationale is that Bitcoin miners' power contracts, data center facilities, cooling infrastructure, and energy procurement capabilities are convertible to AI data center operations. Meanwhile, Aschenbrenner sold Lumentum and Coherent optical interconnect stakes, sending both stocks sharply lower per Barron's. The AI optical interconnect sector entered short-term correction. Core Scientific, Riot, Hut 8, Bitdeer, TeraWulf, and Bitfarms exemplify the Bitcoin miner to AI infrastructure transformation, addressing the biggest bottleneck in hyperscalers' $725 billion AI buildout, power capacity. This is a decisive signal of institutional AI investment diversification. Fourth, Amazon Web Services. AWS has appointed Matt Wood as Chief AI and Technology Officer in a major executive comeback to rebuild AI strategy leadership, GeekWire exclusively reported. Wood spent 15 years at AWS as a veteran executive and former general manager of its machine learning and AI business, before becoming PwC US Chief AI Officer in August 2023. After roughly 2.5 years of external experience, he returns to head global AI strategy at AWS. The move comes as AWS deepens its $8 billion strategic partnership with Anthropic, with the Claude-powered enterprise AI platform and Bedrock Agent Core framework entering production at scale. Microsoft Copilot with OpenAI Frontier, Google Cloud Gemini Enterprise, and AWS Bedrock, with Anthropic now anchor the enterprise AI platform three-horse race. With top talent acquisition becoming a defining strategic battlefield in the agentic AI era. The AI industry's top-tier talent war is intensifying, with AWS AI business growing into a tens of billions dollar segment, marking a decisive phase in the enterprise AI infrastructure power struggle. Fifth, Amazon Web Services, AWS CEO Matt Garman, directly pushed back against AI job apocalypse warnings in an exclusive Wall Street Journal interview, calling white-collar mass unemployment scenarios overhyped. Garman's core argument is that while AI dramatically improves efficiency in specific tasks, the structural collapse of overall employment is disconnected from reality. AI adoption is simultaneously creating new business opportunities, generating new job categories, and elevating human worker roles, with the labor market potentially expanding net positive. This stands in stark contrast to Goldman Sachs' prediction of 300 million jobs globally at risk, McKinsey on banking AI transformation, and Citadel CEO Ken Griffin's stark warning on structural white-collar collapse. With cumulative AI-related layoffs exceeding 156,000, AWS leadership offers a notably optimistic view from inside the industry. With Gen Z 60% shifting towards skilled trades, IBM tripling new graduate hires, and 70% of U.S. adults concerned about AI's rapid pace, the divide between AI industry executives and skeptics has reached a decisive moment in shaping global AI labor market debate. That's all for this AI Newsflash.